That right there, that's Marland Medical. I was born there. There's free mango peach pie. Look at this, man. They know they got that crispy looking chicken. Pull this piece of skin off of there. Look at this. What's up, family? We're back here in Newark, New Jersey, and that right there, that's Marland Medical. I was born there. We're gonna ask you guys, put in the comments, what floor was the delivery room at Marland Medical? Here we go, y'all. Let's go up in here in Jollibee's and see what's going on. Voted best fast food fried chicken by USA Today. Oh, y'all, right there, that's it. That's gonna be it. We definitely gonna go check it out. All right, y'all, let's walk up in here and see what's happening. Let's go up in here to Jollibee's and see what's happening. It's delicious. Chickenjoy's juiciest. Look at this, man. They know they got that crispy looking chicken, man, with that buttery looking biscuit on there. Got that mac and cheese, y'all. Look like that real cheese on there too. That big glump right there. And got that spaghetti. This spot just opened, brand spanking new. I'm ready, man. Let's open the spaghetti right here. We're gonna go real fast with this, y'all. I like that sauce, man. I like the way it looked. Right away, I'm gonna pull a little flag. They got a little flag in there. Look at that little flag. Isn't that so cute? Come on, let's check it out. Let's check it out. That look real crispy, y'all. Some of y'all like, why don't he hurry up and eat? I'm gonna just dip that little piece in the gravy. Oh man, that's really good. These cats know how to fry chicken, yo. I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna dip a lot of gravy in there. That's good flavor, man. Nice and crunchy. This is the spicy leg. I got the mild thigh and the spicy leg. Hold up, y'all. Give me a second. I want to pull that piece of skin off of there. Look at this. I'm going to put this skin right here in the gravy and sop it up. Let's sop that up. I like that. Should I dip the biscuit in the gravy? The biscuit, ooh, it's got a hard bottom. The biscuit is good. I would want it to be a little softer. Look at this gravy, y'all. Look at that gravy. The chicken is really good, really crunchy, man. It's nice, and I got the spicy one on the one I've eaten already. Nice and spicy. I like that. We're going for the spaghetti now. Look at the spaghetti. Spaghetti. See, that is cheese. That is cheese at the top there too. Oh, they got the hot dogs too. They got the little hot dog slices in the spaghetti. And they got a little cheese. I had pulled off the top there. They got the cheese right there. All right. So we're gonna go for that next. Let's check it out. That spaghetti is really sweet, y'all. This seemed like one of those inexpensive meals that my mom used to make at home when she used to just throw like the hot dogs together and put some rice in there. Really sweet, man. It reminds me of Chef Boyardee, but a little sweeter. Okay. Moving right along. I got the mac and cheese only to go to $15 because once I spent $15 or more, they took $5 off. Oh, wow. Look at this. It's really lumpy, man. It's got like whatever that lumpy cheese in there. Is that real cheddar, y'all, or what? That's some thick cheese in there. The line's getting long in Jollibee's, y'all. All right, next thing I'm going for is the thigh. Got that thigh right there. I just want to pull a piece of this off, y'all. It's crunchy. They got the crunchiness down. How many of y'all would say that the batter makes the chicken? The batter makes the fried chicken. Some of y'all don't know, Jollibee started in the Philippines. That's pretty darn spicy. That spicy chicken is spicy for real. I'm feeling it burning in my mouth right now, yep. I'm telling you. And I like hot stuff, but I'm feeling that burning. I'm like, whoa. Yeah. Yeah. You getting older. You funny. Y'all may not be able to see her, but this young lady here said I'm old. I told her I was born at Marland. She said my mother was born there. Y'all old. I'll be 60 in a couple days. Thank you very much. I know, right? It's a blessing to get older, you know? Growing up in the hood, getting older, that's a beautiful thing. Jollibee's, it is what it is. That's it, man. We had to hit the new Jollibee's, man. Overall, man, I probably would give Jollibee's about a 7 or just a little shy of a 7. I really enjoyed the one in Jersey City. I enjoyed the crispiness, but after eating like all of the food, you know, I give it a 7, man. That's it. But I think that they definitely beating. I think that they are definitely beating Kentucky Fried Chicken. But y'all put in the comments what y'all think, especially the cats that live in Newark. I got this free mango peach pie by leaving a review on their site. And I've had these before too. And it's a lot going on in this parking lot, but we in Newark. I'm not gonna let it sidetrack me. Look at this, man. Look at this pie. Look at that, y'all. That look like them old school McDonald's pies. It's about to be a fight, y'all. But I'm not focusing on that. I like these pies. That was mostly breading I ate. The pies, the filling is like down to here. They're feeling hot. Look, Hold on, let me pull y'all off the car. You know you got a good pie when the feeling's real hot and you bite into it and your body be like, you knew better than to just bite straight into that. Hold up, I gotta get y'all right. Let me put this on my car. This your man, Matt DV. If, feeling dropping. Hold up, y'all. We'll end the video in a minute. That's good stuff, man, right there. Well, I like the dough, too. That dough reminds me, the dough that's down in the filling area reminds me of those good dumplings that be in peach cobbler. Oh, wow. Come to Jollibee's and get a pie. That's what y'all should do. Oh, they got drive-through, too? I didn't even pay attention to that. Look at this pie, y'all. Okay, I need more comments for those that know about good Southern cooking and some down-home peach cobbler. Do the Jollibee's pies taste like peach cobbler? That is really good. Oh, look. Coming to get the pie alone is worth the stop, okay? You want to come here and check this out. It's called the Peach Mango Pie. And this one was for free. This your man, Matt DV. If nobody told you they love you today, you hanging with the wrong people, but you hanging with the right cat now. I love you cats, man. Thanks for liking, subscribing, and staying tuned. Put a comment down in the comments area, and I'll see you at the next one. Peace. Peace. Y'all thought this was a game. That's where I was born, y'all, back in that tall building in Marland. I'm gonna eat all of this. I wish I had some milk. That joker's still steaming. That was good. And on the side there was the emergency room back in the day, y'all. And my parents used to own a store right here called the Greasy Spoon. We're on 12th Ave, y'all, in Newark, New Jersey. Let's go over. Let's go be nosy, man. We're gonna walk over and be nosy at Marland. Let's go over here, y'all. We going on an adventure. Look at this. This was the emergency room. It probably wasn't as fancy, y'all, but this was it. We used to hear the ambulance coming. And right there, I wonder if you can go in here today. Let's see, it's locked, y'all. You can't get in there. Y'all trying to be nosy. All right, y'all. This Marland Medical right here. Across the street, there used to be a bar on that corner. They used to sell crabs. Anybody from Newark remember the bar that used to sit on that corner? And then my parents' store was about right there with that girl walking, or maybe a little up, something called the Greasy Spoon. Anybody remember that? All right, y'all.